Every big success story starts small, like the corner shop that grew into a supermarket or the local brand that made it to global shelves. Small beginnings often lead to big dreams, and that's true for businesses and investments. With the Mirai Asset Small Cap Fund, you can be a part of the growth stories of tomorrow, investing in the potential of small cap companies with power to grow big. Hi everyone and welcome to Centrishala. My name is Anjali and today we'll be talking about Mirai Asset Small Cap Fund NFO. This NFO opens on 10 January 2025 and closes on 24 January 2025. Now let's talk about what are small cap funds. As per SEBI, the companies ranked from 251 position onwards in terms of market capitalization are known as small cap companies. The market cap for these companies is below rupees 5,000 crores. The mutual fund that invest at least 65% in small cap companies are called small cap funds. Now let's talk about some key features of small cap funds. First, high growth potential. Small cap companies are often in the early stages of growth, offering substantial opportunities for capital appreciation. Second, volatility and risk. They tend to be more volatile than large cap funds due to market fluctuations, making them suitable for investors with higher risk appetite. Third, long-term focus. Small cap funds are ideal for long-term investors as these companies need time to grow and unlock their potential. And fourth, diversified portfolio. The fund manager selects small cap stocks from a wider range of industries, providing exposure to niche and emerging sectors. Now let's see why should we choose small cap funds. Earnings growth in small companies has been strong with 82% CAGR FY19 to 24 compared to 40% for large caps. Second, small cap has maximum industry representation of 43 industries and have a strong presence in emerging sectors like healthcare services, IT hardware, leisure services, etc. And third, in the last 5 years, within small caps, sectoral market cap grew in between the range of 24 to 73%. Now let's talk about Mirai Asset Small Cap Fund. So their approach to portfolio construction depends on quality factors like sustainable high earnings growth, high capital efficiency, low and negligible leverage, and good corporate governance. Their market cap allocation is in small cap 65 to 100%, mid cap 0 to 35%, and large cap 0 to 35%. Now let's see why you should consider Mirai Asset Small Cap Fund. First, they have higher growth potential. Second, they have compounding advantage. Third, large investable universe. Fourth, undervalued opportunities. Fifth, diversification, and last, niche market leaders. Mirai Asset Small Cap Fund is suitable for investors who are seeking long-term capital appreciation and investment predominantly in equity and equity-related instruments of small cap companies. Now let's talk about their fund details. So Mirai Asset Small Cap Fund is an open-ended equity scheme predominantly investing in small cap stocks. The minimum investment amount is Rs 5,000. Benchmark is Nifty Small Cap 250 TRI. Their fund manager is Mr. Varun Goel and Mr. Siddharth Srivastava, who is a dedicated fund manager for overseas investments. Entry load is nil, whereas the exit load, if redeemed within 1 year from the date of allotment, 1% of the applicable NAV. If redeemed after 1 year from the date of allotment, nil. Well, this was all about the Mirai Asset Small Cap Fund. We hope you like this video. Thank you.